effectively remove dirt and debris before you even touch your car. Introducing Q²M Foam, a highly dilutable pre-wash solution that is designed to soften grime and dirt, providing you with a safer hand wash afterwards. This product can be used on both coated and uncoated vehicles and is a very important step if you're looking to minimize the chance of scratching your car while you wash it. Just dilute foam 1 to 5 with water to get the proper ratio, and we are always going to recommend a high quality foam lance to get the best results. For a quick summary of what all this product does, just take a look at the benefit icons located on its label. If you notice that the front of your vehicle is covered in bugs, you can spray Q²M bug and grime on it first, then foam over it after it dwells for a couple minutes to make rinsing those organic contaminants off that much easier. Apply the foam bottom to top, allowing it to dwell on the lower and more heavily polluted areas of the car for a longer period of time. When you rinse, you want to do the same so you see where you have been and you don't miss any spots.